Very good morning, all of you. So hope you are very excited for today's lecture. Are you? Are you excited for today's lecture? Savya, Ipsa, Karthik, Jasmine, and those who are sitting over here, right? So be energetic, right? Be excited to learn new things. Be curious, right? Chaliye. So we are doing the revision of chapter number 9, that is rational number. So we were discussing one concept, that how to find the rational number between the given rational number. Two types of questions we have discussed, in which we have discussed that how to find the rational number when the denominators are the same, and how to find the rational number when the denominators are not the same. एक केस था जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तब कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, एंड द सेकंड केस इज व्हेन द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर नॉट द सेम. हाँ जी देवांग.
मैम बीच में ना 9th C के बच्चों ने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है.
चलिए दे विल देयर सेल्फ एग्जिट. आप अपनी तरफ ध्यान दो, राइट? ओके चलिए. सो the last type of question is left, in which we have to find a rational number between two given rational number where there are no denominator. जहाँ पे denominator नहीं है, that means one है. Third type, find three rational numbers. Find three rational numbers between -1 and 0. Find three rational numbers between -1 and 0. So, you know how we did it. I told you that first of all denominators should be the same. So, and if the denominators are not there, we all know that if the denominator is missing, then 1 will be taken as denominator. So, let us do solution. -1 is equal to -1/1. Multiply by 10 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This is -10 by 10. Considering the another number 0, this is 0/1. 0 into 10, 1 into 10, 0/10. So, firstly, we check the denominator is 1. हमने denominator 1 बोल दिया. And to increase the gap between the number, we multiply the 10 in the numerator as well as denominator, already told. Now the numerators becomes -10 and 0. You put them on the number line, -10 and 0. And you know, between -10 and 0, you can write so many numbers. You will write, therefore, three rational numbers. Therefore, three rational numbers between -1 and 0 are, देखो -10 से 0 के बीच में, you write the number -9, नीचे 10 लिखना मत भूलना, -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -6 by 10 and -5 by 10. 5 लिख दिया मैंने, उसने 3 पूछा था. Anyhow, doesn't matter. So this is the way to write the rational number between the two given numbers whose denominators are not there. जब denominators है ही नहीं, in that case what we need to do, we will put 1 in the denominator. हम denominators में 1 put कर देंगे, और gap बढ़ाने के लिए we will multiply by 10. Is it okay? So this was the last concept of the chapter. So many questions we have done on the basis of the different concepts. I told you that what kind of questions can be there in 1 mark MCQ. Last but not the least, I will discuss some statements, some of the chapter, and tomorrow we will discuss one MCQ test of the chapter, right? Tomorrow 20 marks MCQ test we will discuss in the class. Chaliye, let us start with some problem sums. So I'm writing first question. The product of two rational numbers the product of two rational numbers is minus 9 by 16 if one of them is minus 3 by 4, then find the other. If one of them is minus 3 by 4, then find the other. Product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16. One is given and other is to be find out. एक हमें given है and दूसरा हमें find करना है. ध्यान से देखना. Two rational numbers, their product's answer is minus 9 by 16. So I form an equation. Equation means which is having equal to sign, which is having left hand side and right hand side. So I formed an equation. In 6th standard, you know that how to find a variable by making an equation. So I formed an equation accordingly, right? These are the two rational numbers whose product is minus 9 by 16. So the one of them is given to be minus 3 by 4. उनमें से एक rational number की value क्या दी हुई है हमें? Minus 3 by 4. We want to find other. You know, when we want to find certain thing in maths, we let it to be क्या? क्या let करते हैं अनन्या उसको? X let कर लेते हैं. So right here to be X. So you are having minus 3 by 4 into X is minus 9 by 16. You need to find X. X को अपने पास रखेंगे. X अपने पास रहा. आपके घर में कोई आता है तो आप घर से भाग जाते हो? नहीं ना? तो इसके घर में लोग आ रहे हैं तो ये भागेगा थोड़ा. ये वैसे ही देख. ये अपने घर में बैठा हुआ है. लोग इसको मिलने आ रहे हैं. So first of all, you will write the number which is already there on right hand side. That is minus 9 by 16 that I am writing. Now this 4, this is in the denominator. उधर किस में चला जाएगा? Numerator में. 4 denominator इधर बन गया numerator. Minus 3 numerator इधर क्या बन गया? Denominator. That means divide वाला number उधर जाके multiply हो गया. Multiply वाला number इधर आके divide हो गया. हाँ जी कार्तिक, any doubt? Yes, Karthik. Karthik, speak up. No, you are not audible. Unmute yourself, Karthik. Yes, Gaurish. No, you are not audible. Gaurish.
ये एक्सक्यूज मी मैम जब हमने -3/4 को उधर लेके जाना है तो मैम हम पहले डायरेक्टली डिवाइड का साइन डाल के उसको उधर ले जाएंगे, फिर उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके रेसिप्रोकल कर सकते हैं ऐसे?
वो भी कर सकते हैं कि ये मल्टीप्लाई, ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई में उधर जाके डिवाइड हो गया, देन रेसिप्रोकल, वन ऑफ द सेम थिंग. आई फॉलो वन रूल दैट डिवाइड वाला नंबर उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई, मल्टीप्लाई वाला नंबर डिवाइड. ठीक है?
ओके मैम. यस मैम.
माइनस माइनस कट. 3 3 are 9. 4 4 are 16. So what is the other rational number? This is 3 by 4. Answer. Done. Now you write the question. Homework question. First, by what number should we multiply? By what number should we multiply? By what number should we multiply minus 8 by 13? Minus 8 by 13 so that the product is 24. By what number should we multiply minus 8 by 13 so that the product is 24? Same way you will do it yourself. Let the number be x, multiply by 8, minus 8 by 13 is equal to 24. Do the calculation, you will get the value of x. Am I clear about the
Yes,
homework
ma'am.
part? So one part you will do
Yes,
it as
ma'am.
homework that I am giving you. चलिए next question. Question number 2. How many pieces of equal size? How many pieces of equal size can be cut? Can be cut from a rope of 30-meter long, from a rope of 30-meter long, each measuring 3:3/4. Each measuring 3:3/4 meter. Any problem, Harmeet Singh?
मैम मैंने कहना था जो आपने होमवर्क में स्टेटमेंट समझे हैं मैम वो आपको हम करके भेज सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ भेज सकते हो, भेज सकते हो.
ओके मैम.
How many pieces of equal size can be cut from a rope of 30-meter long, each measuring 3:3/4 meter? Right? So you see that here the total length of rope is 30 meter. Length of each piece. Length of each piece. 3:3/4, 15/4. This is the length of each piece. 3:3/4 meters. We want to find that how many pieces can be cut out of this rope. Each is of this. This is like just that you are having 50 samosas. You want to give 2 samosa to each student. So how many students the samosa will be distributed? 25. 50 students अगर हैं, 2 samosas हर बच्चे को मिलने हैं, then there will be 25 students who are going to get the samosas. Similarly, total length of the rope is this, length of each piece is this. If you want to find the number of pieces, you have to divide the total length by length of one piece.
One piece.
So
One piece.
total pieces या फिर लिखो number of pieces. Number of pieces is equal to whole rope divided by length of one piece. Whole rope divided by length of one piece. Divide changes into multiply. Things get reciprocal.
30 multiplied by 4 over 15.
This becomes 8 meters. Length of each part, it becomes 8 meters. Write down the homework question. A ribbon of length 4 meter. A ribbon of length 4 meter is to be divided amongst 25 students. length 4 meter is to be divided among its 25 students. Find the length of ribbon find the length of ribbon that each child will get. Find the length of ribbon that each child will get. Ribbon of length 4 meter is to be divided among us 25 students. Find the length of ribbon that each child will get. Find the length of ribbon that each child will get. So this is a question of multiplication or division. शुभ से पूछते हैं. शुभ, this is a question of multiplication or division. I'm giving you as homework, but still I want to ask.
मैम कहना है.
शुभ कहाँ चला गया? Yes, who is speaking?
मैम अरमीत.
Harmeet, हाँ जी. It is multiplication or division?
मैम डिवीजन.
Division, because 4 meter length divided into 25. 4 divided by 25. अगर आपको 4 को 25 से डिवाइड करना मुश्किल लगता है तो आप 4 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दो. 400 को 25 से डिवाइड कर लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Is it okay? If you find it difficult,
Yes, ma'am.
4 को 20 तो आप मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दो, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हमने फाइंड करने हैं, यूनिट वहां पे मैटर नहीं करता. राइट? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 3. What is the perimeter of the given figure? What is the perimeter of the given figure? We want to find the perimeter of the given figure. Let me draw the figure first. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 3:2 by 3 centimeter, 3:1 by 4 centimeter, 4:3 by 4. We want to find the perimeter of this figure. You know what is perimeter?
Yes, ma'am. Sum of all sides.
Sum of all
Sum of
sides,
all
that is
sides.
sum of all the regions which are included in the boundary of the figure. So boundary में जितनी भी sides हैं, we'll add them all. हम सबको क्या कर देंगे? Plus कर देंगे. So we'll write.
मैम जो आपने 3:2 by 3 लिखा है.
हाँ जी, 3:2 by 3. Perimeter of the given figure. Perimeter of the given figure. Sum of all the sides you all know, that is 6 plus 7 plus 3:2 by 3 plus 3:1 by 4 plus 4:3 by 4. So this will be 13, 11 by 3, 13 by 4, 19 by 4. 12 will be the LCM. 13 into 12 plus 11 into 4, 13 into 3, 19 into 3, एलसीएम लेना आता है सबको? कसक
यस मैम।
एलसीएम नीचे वाले नंबर के साथ डिवाइड, जो आंसर आया ऊपर वाले से मल्टीप्लाई। 156, 44, 39, 57 over 12। 156, 44, 39, 57 ऐड करो, कितना आ रहा है बताओ मुझे। (296/12). Change it into mixed fraction. Change it into mixed fraction. Next question. Yes, Savya. Any problem?
यस मैम, जो 296/12 का मिक्स फॉर्म है यही बनेगा ना, 24:6/12।
Yes, yes.
मैम इन माय ओपिनियन,
Repeat it, Savya.
मैम जो 296/12 का मिक्स फॉर्म है उस यही बनेगा ना, 24:8/12।
एक्चुअली आप इसकी कटिंग भी कर सकते हो। Now you can do 24.
हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं,
You can do
हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं मैम। जो हम लेकिन जो हमारा जो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आया है वो करेक्ट है और इनकरेक्ट है।
yes, yes. बच्चे repeat your doubt. क्या कह रहे हो गौरीश?
यस मैम, लाइक मैम मैंने पूछा था कि जो सावे ने बोला वही मेरी भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन वही आई है, तो मैम वो करेक्ट है और इनकरेक्ट है।
पहले कटिंग कर दो फिर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करो, दैट इज द बेटर वे।
ओके मैम। मैम
हाँ जी,
मैम जैसे 24:8/12 आई, तो हम 8 और 12 को उधर कट कर सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ, एनी वे यू कैन डू। बाद में भी कटिंग कर सकते हो, पहले करके फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर सकते हो। इज इट ओके साव्या?
यस मैम।
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
एक्सक्यूज मैम।
हाँ जी,
मैम मैंने ऐसे किया है 13/1 × 12/12। तो मैंने ऐसे करके ना मैम लास्ट में जैसे हमने प्लस किया वैसे ही कर दिया।
हाँ एनी वे यू कैन ऐड, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
ओके मैम।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Fourth question. Amongst how many people amongst how many people 21 kg of sweets 21 kg of sweets can be distributed so that each get 3/4 kg. Amongst how many children 21 kg of sweets can be distributed so that each get 3/4 kg. See the solution. This is again the question of division. This much kg is to be divided. Each is getting 3/4 kg. How many students are getting? We will do the division. So you will write number of people getting the sweets, total sweet divided by sweet that one child is getting, one person is getting. Total sweet divided by the sweet that one person is getting. Divide changes into multiplication, things get reciprocal.
Ma'am, 28 is the answer.
28 people will get the sweet. Hanji Jasmine, any problem?
मैम जो स्कूल ऑफलाइन बच्चा है मैम उनके नेम बता दो मैम वरना उनकी एब्सेंट लग जाएगी.
बच्चे मेरे को आपकी आवाज जो है वो कट के आ रही है. प्लीज रिपीट व्हाट यू वांट टू से.
आई एम ऑडिबल नाउ.
यस यस.
मैम जो बच्चे ऑफलाइन आए हुए हैं या तो आप उनके नेम लिख लो या मैम मुझे बता दो वरना मैम उनकी एब्सेंट लग जाएगी.
अच्छा, दे आर ज्योतिन,
यस मैम.
ज्योतिन, हरगुनप्रीत, सारांग, राजार्यन, अनन्या एंड कसक. अनन्या एंड कसक, राइट? ओके जैस्विन, ठीक, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The cost of cost of 15 kg of sugar, cost of 15 kg of sugar is rupees 225 is to 3/4. Cost of 15 kg of sugar is 225 is to 3/4. Rupees 225 is to 3/4 is the cost of 15 kg sugar. What is the cost of 1 kg of sugar? What is the cost of 1 kg of sugar? The cost of 15 kg of sugar is this. What is the cost?
मैम डिवाइड का क्वेश्चन है.
Yes, बेटे, speak
मैम
up.
मल्टीप्लाई का क्वेश्चन है ये.
शाबाश.
मैम डिवाइड
15 kg is given. गौरीश ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा है ना? गौरीश क्लैपिंग कर रहा है. 15 kg की शुगर का कॉस्ट जो है वो इतना है और 1 kg का निकालना है, यानी कि ज्यादा का दिया हुआ है, कम का निकालना है. तो इसका मतलब मल्टीप्लाई.
डिवाइड.
Whenever we go from the bigger quantity to the lower quantity, we do the division. We do the division. Cost of 15 kg of sugar. 15 kg of sugar. 225 is to 3/4. चलो इसको अपने आप करना. The bell has gone. We'll continue it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do MCQ from the chapter.
मैम 1 मिनट मैम क्वेश्चन लिख.
Question लिख लो because we have finished all the concepts of the chapter. So now we'll do one case study and one MCQ test. Okay? Chalo. With this, I'm going to end the period. So we'll meet tomorrow.